Hi everybody, welcome to Daisy Nix Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make an anti-aging face mist. I love this recipe, I carry it around with me in my handbag and I use it all summer to just spritz my face and arms. Equipment: a spray bottle, a funnel, 1 teaspoon measure, 1 cup measure and some rubbing alcohol to sterilise your equipment. Ingredients: 1 cup of mineral or spring water, 2 teaspoons of witch hazel, 1 teaspoon of glycerin and essential oils, 5 drops of frankincense, 5 drops of rose and geranium, 5 drops of sandalwood, 5 drops of lemon, 5 drops of myrrh and 5 drops of nerol. Start by spraying your equipment with rubbing alcohol and wiping clean. Measure out 1 cup of your mineral water and put it into your bottle. Then measure out 1 teaspoon of glycerin and add it to your water. Then add 2 teaspoons of witch hazel to the mix. Add 5 drops of frankincense to the mix, 5 drops of rose and geranium, 5 drops of sandalwood, 5 drops of lemon essential oil, 5 drops of myrrh essential oil. Now this one doesn't mix too well, so it takes a bit of shaking after. Then 5 drops of nerol essential oil to the mix. Then pop on the lid and give it a shake to mix. You will need to shake before each use as it does settle. If you would like labels for your product, I've made some of these and put them onto Facebook. Just type in Daisy Nix Recipes, look for the image, click save and print onto A4 label sheets, 1 label per sheet, then cut to size. I hope you've had fun making anti-aging face mist with Daisy Nix Recipes. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm now on Facebook. This is where you'll find my labels. Just type in Daisy Nix Recipes. And if you have any questions, please email me at the address on screen. Thanks for watching.